Today we are exploring the small alleys of Vietnam to check out Cal's Barbershop in Da Nang. As soon as you walk in, you can choose between the real man and the gentleman treatment. I chose the 11 steps gentleman treatment, all for just $6.50.
That's what I want.
First, we will start with a hair consultation. Then proceed with one of the best haircuts I have ever had. Following with a super neat beard shave. After all the cutting was done, they took me to this room where they cleaned my ear. Next on the list was a facial massage. Followed with this machine, what appears to be good for your skin. Then came a face mask. A hair wash. And a relaxing neck and shoulder massage. At this point, I felt like I was in heaven with all the effort they did. The treatment ended with a hairstyling back in the chair. I've never felt so pampered in my life, especially for only $6.50. So, are you planning to go to Vietnam? Make sure you visit this barbershop.
Yeah? Wow, that was amazing. That is hands down the best treatment I ever had in my life.